Swamp Puppy update. We have the sickly or damaged Spencer, who's limping and sneezing. And then we have the much better now Sophie. She has some skin problems, but is very active. No limp, no sneeze. So we'll see in a few days if Spencer over here gets any better, or if he's really got a bad case of distemper that might take him out. But it's not looking too bad. Maybe he just got a sore paw from an injury, or a fight of some kind. Doesn't seem to be getting any worse. Sophie seems to be doing much better. I'm wondering if maybe the 5-in-1 had some side effects. It seems to be when they both got a little sicker after the 5-in-1. Hey, Sophie definitely acting good. She's still got some skin problems though. Destructive little people. I don't know. Kittens are much less destructive outside anyway. I don't know if I can leave these things alone with the plants. I'm gonna dig everything up. Does he really have something on his messed up on his face? Actually, they're both she's, but Sophie's doing good. Spencer is still somewhat sickly or injured. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. We'll check back on him later. Let's send them back to their swamp home for now.